I'm just going to show how to make a meal for around $5. And the ingredients. First thing you need is broccoli, the canned chicken, and the sides. You can get rice sides or pasta sides, either one, but you can do whichever your favorite recipe or the side is. But you take and you put 2 1/3 cups of water in the pan. You cut up your broccoli florets and you boil them until they're done. And then you first put the rice in there and you cook it for a little while. You don't have to cook it very long before you put your chicken in there. And once you do all that, you just cook this for around 7-8 minutes, and you make sure you continuously stir it so it doesn't burn. But it's a good meal, and it's really cheap, and you could feed 2 or 3 people. But enjoy the recipe. And after I actually cook this and put it in my bowl, I will let you see what it looks like. Thank you so much. Enjoy the recipe. Goodbye.